If your LG ThinQ washer or dryer isn't working quite right, doing a quick reset can often help fix minor glitches and restore normal operation. Here's how to do it. First, turn the appliance off by pressing the power button. Once it's off, unplug it from the wall completely. Now, wait for about 1 to 5 minutes. This short pause lets any leftover power drain out of the system, which works like a soft reset and can clear minor electronic issues that may be affecting performance or causing error codes to appear. After that, plug the unit back in. Press the power button again to turn it on. That's it. Your LG Think washer or dryer is now reset and should be ready to go. If you're still having issues after the reset, you can check the LG ThinQ app for alerts or run a diagnostic cycle. These steps often help identify if there's a deeper problem, like a blocked drain, unbalanced load, or a sensor issue, so you can address it before calling for service. Doing this occasionally also helps keep your washer and dryer running smoothly over time and prevents minor errors from becoming bigger problems.